Hello everybody, and welcome to this special flip through of this book that I made with a friend of mine. And I'm going to tell you this little bit of a backstory, not very long, and then I am going to show you the book. Now, I got an email from someone named Janet a few weeks ago, about a couple months ago, saying that she was going to be coming to the Seattle area from Australia, and would I like to get together and craft? Did I live near her son in Kenmore? And I said, I would love to, and I live in Kenmore, which is right by your son's house. I don't know what the odds of this are, but it ends up that her son lives on my road, right down the road, about a mile. Unbelievable. So anyway, Janet came over and we had a blast, and we made this book together. Now, she made one and I made one, and they're almost exactly the same. There's a couple small differences, but not much. And I was thinking about doing this while she was here. It took us a couple weeks, a day or so at a time per week to make this. And I forgot to do it while she was here. So anyway, this is a kit called Vintage Flowers by Vectoria Designs, and that's the kit we used. So this is the cover, and she showed me how to make this little raised up cover. So the image is raised up, and then of course I raised up the word flowers as well. It's got glossy accents on it, and so do the 3 butterflies. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. On the butterflies and on the word. There we go. And it's got a elastic spine. And then here's the back cover. So pretty. I love this kit. These books turned out so well. I really like them. They're tied shut with sari silk. And the actual cover itself, I don't know if you can see this or not, is made with cereal box card. So you could use lightweight chipboard and paper towels and Mod Podge, and then we used non-bleached titanium paint. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Maybe one of these days I'll make a tutorial on just how to do that. So, like I said, it's tied shut with sari silk, and of course those little strings get all tangled. I love this image. So, when you open the book, this is the first page that you see. You have to excuse my voice today. I'm having a crazy voice day again. And you open this, and there's a writing card in here. There's a CD with the writing card in it here. And it flips open. You have writing areas here and here. Open this page, and we took these big long tags, and they also, you can put a hole there, or they also look like big pencils to us. We were laughing about it. And here's an envelope. I guess I missed an opportunity to put a card in there. And then this is something that she showed me, and I really love it. There's a notch cut right here. So you use it as a thumb pull. All you do is pull down, and you see the whole full image. We thought these papers were too pretty to lose the images. They're 11 inches long. And so she showed me how to fold it, and it just pops right back up in there. It's pretty cool. So then you turn the page, and we have these little artificial folders held shut with magnets. Little writing area. You can write in black pen on that and see it. Then this side here is a long side tuck. I like this with the glasses. And then there's a circle with 4 tickets, or stamps, I mean. Each one's big enough to write on. Everything is inked in gathered twigs. On this one, there's a writing space with a card. Then there's a flip up, or flip over, just to flip open, I guess. And that has a card as well. The images in this are so pretty, I can't get over it. Then on this here, see, there's a card in this window. Then it opens, and it's a belly band, and there's a writing paper inside. This little pen. These are just 2 pockets with some ephemera inside. This is coffee dyed paper. The rest of it is 65-pound cardstock, and I used cream colored paper, and I accidentally gave Janet white paper, so those one of the differences in our books. This is a giant ticket and a small envelope with the word exquisite, and that's raised up. Just a pretty picture. It's the same as the back cover, I think. Or no, we did something different. We changed our minds. Then this is the center spread, and this opens this way. And there's a card. Get in there. I know I shouldn't have. Always tell yourself, do not pull the card out on camera. And this has a card this way, and it flips down, and there's a writing area. There's the piano on this one. Oopsie. There's a piano on this one, and it opens out. And then this CD opens up. It has a card as well. And it flips up. And I loved these writing areas. Liked the frames. Love listening to the magnets. Snap, 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 snap. Then on this page is a double pocket. We were just kind of messing around and just came out this way. And I love this image here. So I put an image of a little garden building there to go with the house. Here's a long notepad. Ephemera. It's not an actual notepad. Here we took 2 circles that we cut out from the centers of when we made the CDs and used them as a tuck for the writing paper. This is coffee dyed paper as well. We actually added a couple pages into this book. It's bigger than it was when we started out. And there's a writing card. And on this side, there's a pocket. And does this flip down or anything? Or open? I swear I thought it flipped. Okay, I guess not. Just a pocket. Ho hum pocket. On this page is so pretty. We just used tissue paper, and you flip it up, and you see one of my favorite pages in the whole book. I didn't know how. I didn't want to cover it. I didn't want to put pockets on it. I didn't really know what else to do with it, so I just put some tissue paper on it. This is collage. This is so fat you have to kind of maneuver it to work with the whole book. And here's 2 more circles from 2 more CDs with pockets from the kit. Here's our second pull-out page, or pull-down page, with this full image. And it just snaps right in there. I love that. You'll see that more in some of my other books in the future. And 2 little folder flip downs with magnets. Here's a pocket with 2 envelopes. This is a gusseted pocket. And then the last page, and it's a flip up. And then this flips out. And then there's a little card, or there's a belly band. Look, a place where we forgot a card. There's a belly band for a card. And I gave Janet all the extra papers. And here's the back cover. And then we're done. So thank you for putting up with my long backstory, but that was the whole point of the book. And I will see you in the next... Oh, there's no tutorial for this. We just made them. I will see you in the next video series, and that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.